On vigor of the waves of skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a Petite term and shields and spears. Vows of favor or the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder pound within. Oh, oh, the echoes of eternity. Oh, oh, Valhalla calling me. Oh, oh.
Wild turkey with babies on the left side of the trail. Oh, there he's up on the hill now, halfway up there. You might see him between these trees when he gets there. Here he comes. See him? I saw babies run behind them. They were only like 5 inches tall, 6 inches little. I thought it was a deer at first.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, you saw it on the trail walking? Yeah. I should have my turkey call with. If I didn't have the gloves on, I can do a fair turkey call with my hand, but not so much with the glove on. Pick up some speed down here. Pick up some good speed down that thing. Hey, there's that guy when we were past. Oh, you keep at it, you know, you make some distance. He's got a pretty good gait there. Hello again. Well, they must spend some time here. They might be a host or something. They have them, you know. Like when we went to
the guy lived there.
the onion burger place. Huh? Yeah. Because you're only supposed to stay here 14 days.
Well, that was the guy that works there.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he's a host.
Yeah.
They're usually at the end. Well, that is an entrance. This is the one. It's probably got another sign too. Well, we're not in cars. Let's see what this thing says. I could see stuff from satellite. What does this say? Take garbage to the dump. Yeah, you want to go check it out? Nice campsites back here. That's kind of low, but it's grassy. What's that? Yeah. Comes out by a brick shit house. I don't know where it goes down back that way. Not me. You got to? Yeah. Go ahead. Go around the back. I don't know if I want to. I'm going to get off and check. Yeah. crossroad. Uh-oh. Ah, it does show a crossroad. I believe we go that way.
What?
We go that way.
Okay.
Yeah, we might be on a walking only path. That should take us back to the road. Took a wrong turn somewhere. Like, golly. There's a lot more like that back here.
I wish they could go in and come out, you know, off the campground.
If you could see that.
I was hoping to go in there and find something interesting.
Yeah, there was a brick shit house.
Yeah.
Okay, that way. That was nice though. Why is it the places you're not supposed to go are the nice places? The places that you're not supposed to go are the nice places.
Edgewater Beach Hotel.
Yeah.
My adventure. I like
Yeah.
it. In the movie, you open the door and the whole room is gone.
Yeah, it was flooring too.
Yep.
I have to remember this. I'd like to explore that more. Those back trails I'd like to explore more. Like those things. I think this, yeah. This is basically we're going to turn around. It's we'll miss a lot of the trail. This is the marina here.
Oh, they closed that?
Yeah. That's open. No, this is closed, yeah.
We go to the marina.
But we'll go back the other way. Back the way we come. And I want to really check her out at the marina for a place to bring Holly with the wheelchair for a picnic lunch.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah, it is. It's hard to get her out, you know. She can't. She hates the heat. Do you want to explore that thing? Hey, you left your cigar there, Paul. Oh, these are interesting. Look at these things. Look at these. Look at that. But they're not. Here's the leaves. It's poison oak. I'll rub my nose now. Yeah, I'm not so sure about those over there. See the things?
Oh yeah. Maybe.
When in doubt, leave it alone. Oh.
This is not the vine. It's not fine. This is the tree branch. Leaf or leaf?
Right there.
This one here? Maybe this one?
Yeah, and those up there.
Yeah, they don't fit.
I'm not sure.
Oh, fine. Yeah.
Leaves of 3. Leave it be.
Yeah.
When in doubt, leave it be. Okay. That was anticlimactic. So, nothing else to see but where we've already gone. So we can go make a right here and go down to the marina and check out for picnic tables and stuff. Hello. What's that? Yeah, it feels nice in the sun. I'm glad I got the hoodie though.
Long parking lot with a
Yes.
ramp. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I remember this. Yeah, that's the parking lot with a little lane for
But
you.
there's stuff over on this side too.
Yeah, a launching lane. So they got a little, what do you call it? Power launch or power. I get back on.
We could pull kayaks behind us.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Easy, your kayak.
This is. What was that? What do they call that when they power the boat onto the trailer?
I don't know, but it's not allowed a lot of places.
Yeah, illegal. That's right.
Stay on the left, unless you're going to launch a boat.
Yeah, well, you're gonna launch it.
Yeah, all you need is a piece of PVC pipe and a little hardware, and you can pull a kayak behind you.
Oh yeah, you get those wheels like golf carts with the good size.
Oh yeah. Well, you just got to have good bearings. That's all.
Yeah.
Because you're not walking. It's not like the things, those things I make out of plastic wheels and stuff. Not even lawnmower wheels. I would say like 16-inch bike tires would be the minimum. 16-inch bicycle wheels would be the minimum.
All those kinds that they use for baby carriage, you know.
Well, some kind of baby carriage.
Well, it's not great.
No, you're doing 15, 20 miles an hour or so on these bikes, so burden the wheels off them.